Hello, sea explorers! Today, we dive deep into the ocean to discover the enchanting story of a young mermaid named Ariel. Join us as we explore her magical underwater world. Ariel lives in a shimmering underwater kingdom with her family and friends. She loves to sing and is curious about the world above the sea. Ariel is fascinated by the human world. She collects all sorts of things that come from above the waves and dreams of visiting the land someday. But Ariel's father, King Triton, worries about her safety and forbids her from swimming to the surface. He tells her that the world above is dangerous. One stormy night, Ariel saves a human prince named Eric from a shipwreck. She falls in love with him at first sight. Desperate to meet the prince again, Ariel makes a deal with Ursula, the sea witch. She trades her voice for legs but must win the prince's love without speaking. On land, Ariel explores the world she's dreamed of and tries to win Prince Eric's heart. With true love and a little magic, Ariel and Prince Eric become the best of friends. They marry and live happily ever after.